Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's session, we will discuss about the keyword break in Java. So, break keyword is used to terminate the loop. So, before reaching out to the end of the range of a loop, if we want to terminate a for loop or any other loop, in that case, we will use break statement. So, what is the real-time uses of break? That we will see by using one program. We will discuss the example first on Notepad. Then we will see that real-time program. First of all, what is the syntax? Syntax is very simple, just one keyword, break and semicolon. And what is the second point? Break can be used only in loops and switch statement. But it means is you cannot use break keyword outside of loops, either it's for loop or while loop, do while, for each, whatever it is. This is one example. So let me draw the example first. Okay, so we are having one real-time situation here where we are having a records of a student who has appeared for one entrance exam. The management brought a list of students who got pass. Cutoff marks is 35. Okay. So in this real time, in this situation, in this scenario, what we are assuming is this list, this input is already sorted. Okay, this list is already sorted based on student marks. First of all, what will be the range for our for loop? Okay, so start point will be, it will be 0. End point will be length of this input 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It will be the length. So this is the actual range. So this is the actual range of our for loop. But if we observe this input up to this candidate Turner, it got 35. Cutoff is 35. But next candidate Bill got 33. It means these candidates, this candidate will not be in the list of past students. Our actual range is 0 to 8. But as per our input, our loop can be terminated at this point. Okay, or let us suppose we will change it to 39 or this level, or it run fully. Okay, there may be a chance that our student got passed. So although we know the range of our for loop, but we are not sure up to when our for loop will run. Now up to here our loop will work fine, and here when we will check the marks of this student, it's less than cutoff marks. Okay, what is cutoff marks? 35. And what student got? They got 33. So 33 is less than 35. So as we already told that this list is already sorted. If this student got less marks as per our cutoff marks, it means rest all the students will be having less marks. And there is no meaning of continuing this loop. It is a wastage of resources. So ideally what we need to do is we need to break our loop here only. So this is one of the practical scenario where we will need to use break statement. So if marks are less than cutoff marks, okay, then what we need to do, we need to break it. I hope this explanation is clear for everyone. We will see this example practically. Okay, if we see this example, first of all I have one method, okay, one array I have taken where I am putting the data of all the students. Why I am doing it in this manner? Because we haven't discussed about the collections or object oriented concept of Java. That's why I am keeping it as very simple, as there is no way to put multiple value in a single index location. So that's why I am concatenating student name with its marks, so that I can split this one and get the marks of a student. I have taken array of string with limit 8, okay, and I have put it all the data, and this is the main method. So what I am doing is same thing, I am calling this method and loaded the data. I am displaying the data first so that it will be easy to observe the difference in the output. Then I am taking one temporary array where I will put only those students who got pass. I ran a loop here, for loop. In for loop, starting from 0, less than marks of less than student length, less than number of students. Why I have started from 0? Because in x will start from 0. So here I am taking the student, individual student, a student of I, we will get this data. Then I am splitting this data so that I will get student name as well as marks. Okay, I am taking marks here in this variable. Then I am checking, okay, if marks of a student is less than 35, then what I am doing is I am breaking this loop. I am breaking this loop. What I am doing here, if this is not executed, this statement is not true, I am putting this student into a new array, that temporary array I have created here. Okay, after this loop is completed, this display method will again called with updated array, so that we will observe the difference between the input and output. Now I am compiling this program. Program compiled successfully. Now we will run the program and observe the difference. So if we see here, what is our input? Sandy, Smith, John, Turner. Up to here, student got passing marks. After Turner, a student got failed. So it means our updated array should contain these 4 entries only. Okay. So if we see here our updated array, next time whatever we have printed, it got only 4 entries. I hope use of break is clear to everyone. Okay, we will repeat it again. So although we know the range of a loop, but if we found that condition, matching condition before that, then there is no meaning of continuing the loop. In that case, to break the for loop or any other kind of loop, we will use break keyword. I hope this is clear to everyone.